What's up guys, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today we're underneath a 2018 Supercharged V8 Range Rover. What we're going to be doing is removing this front resonator. We're going to put an X pipe in, delete this secondary resonator, and then we're going to put the Valvetronic Designs universal mufflers in place of the OEM mufflers here in the rear. Right now, it sounds pretty good, but it's very, very quiet. But now, after the valve mufflers are installed and the X pipe and everything is in place, it's going to sound like a Jaguar F-Type SVR. So stay tuned for that. This thing's going to sound absolutely wicked. Take a listen. Alright guys, check it out. So we put the Valvetronic 2.5-inch rear mufflers in the back in place of the OEM mufflers, which are over there on the side. 2.5-inch pipe, I'm sorry, this is 2.25 here. All the Range Rover piping is 2.25. So we expanded up 2.5 into the mufflers. And then back here we did both center resonators have been deleted. We put an X pipe in the center, so right now it sounds just like factory with the valves closed. Once you open them up, it's going to sound extremely rowdy. Take a listen.
How's it going under there?
Good. So here's what we got going on. Right now I'm just plugging the vacuum lines into the valve mufflers. And it's quite challenging under here because there's very little space. But we'll get them on and you guys will check back in with us once we have everything all connected up. Alright guys, so our install today on this 2018 Range Rover Sport Supercharged has been completed. Take a look here in the trunk. We opened everything up and there is no wires, there's nothing exposed here. The reason why is because we have the vacuum module underneath the spare tire and underneath the carpet here. And then there is a grommet hole right behind where the trunk latches, right here. And we put the vacuum hose down. We split the vacuum hose, it's all behind this panel, and it went to both valves. For right now, the customer did not want us to hardwire the system, so the system is plugged in here with a cigarette lighter, and of course is able to be controlled with the valves at the touch of a button. So it's super easy to use this type of style setup for whatever car you drive if you don't want to hardwire the setup. A lot of vehicles, especially SUVs, have these cigarette lighters in the trunk, so it's super easy to install this by yourself. The mufflers, obviously you're going to have an exhaust shop install those mufflers. Once that's done, you can go ahead and install the rest of the kit, and you'll be in great shape and on your way to great, loud and quiet sounds whenever you want.